Nestled along the banks of Big Cottonwood Creek, this Utah estate isn't just a residence, it's essentially a private sanctuary that happens to have a very prestigious zip code. To enter, one must cross a river via a heated driveway. Because, let's be honest, scraping ice off your tires is far too common for a legacy property of this caliber. Architecturally, the mansion is a symphony of global craftsmanship. It's a textural feast featuring European limestone, imported German windows, and original doors salvaged from historic overseas estates. Inside, the scale is appropriately cinematic. 30-foot vaults and massive timber beams are anchored by two-story fireplaces that make you feel like the protagonist in a high-budget period drama. The lifestyle here is defined by the "I never have to see the public again" philosophy. Between the indoor spa, a private salon featuring a vintage barber chair, and a professional-grade theater, you're basically running a boutique hotel for one. The primary suite is less of a bedroom and more of a sovereign wing, complete with its own elevator and dual dressing rooms. If you tire of the arcade or fitness center, you can wander the 3-acre grounds, which boast 4 ponds, a tennis court, and 3,000 square feet of covered patio living. Whether you're hosting a gala against the backdrop of snow-capped peaks or hiding out in the guest cottage, this property proves that over the top is actually a very comfortable place to be. It's peak Utah living, literally and figuratively.